never buy this mouse. It was my wrong decision to buy this Razer DeathAdder essential mouse. I have purchased it 1 year ago, and this last 1 year and basically last 6 or 7 months, I have sent this mouse to the service center via courier, bearing the shipping cost 3 times. Every time they have replaced with the same model, and again after 1 month, this is causing the same problem again and again. To know what problem I am facing and why you should not buy this mouse, watch this video till the end. So I have purchased this from Amazon around 1 year ago. So but after purchasing, after several months, 2 or 3 months use, it is creating the scroll wheel problem, basically the scroll jump problem, you can say. So if I am scrolling down, suddenly it is going scrolling up and again down, and vice versa. If I am scrolling up, after scrolling up, it is automatically suddenly it is scrolling down and scrolling up, so randomly it is scrolling up or scrolling down. So I browse internet so much, so I use the scroll button very much frequently. So it is very much disturbing, and I am sending it to the service center 3 times, and they're replacing with the same model. I have asked them to give me refund or different model from Razer, because this is the manufacturing defect coming in this mouse. If you check this mouse, the recent comments or the review in the Amazon India page, you will find lots of user giving the same problem, and also they are posting the video. So this is the known problem to the them, and the service provider is Acro Engineering Company, basically the Delhi or in the Gurgaon area. So I have sent from my home location. It is all sometimes it's costing around 80 rupees, 100 rupees. So I am already 300, around 300 rupees I have already spent on them. I purchased it around 1400 rupees and already spent 300 rupees, and still it is not solving. Again and again I am sending, again and again the same problem. They are not listening to the customers, and I think you never gonna buy this Acro Engineering support products, basically this Razer product, I must say, in particular for India, because the worst service, and basically the service is coming the second part. First part is the manufacturing defect, and company is not in a position to accept their defect and take back all their product or replace with the different model. So very much third class company Razer. Never buy any Razer product. I'm gonna throw this mouse in the dustbin, because I cannot change or I cannot repair. If I am sending the repair center, again the same problem will come. So I cannot use this mouse in this way. You can see already I have opened, because it's still there 1 year warranty, but I think if I gonna claim the warranty in next 1 year, I have to send again 3 or 4 times, and 300 or 400 rupees I have already purchased the basic mouse from the Logitech, so I will use that. So not gonna use this gaming mouse ever. And lots of gaming mouse like other Logitech gaming mouse also having the double click issue. This one is having the scroll issue. So gaming mouse is having a very difficult time, because for the cost cutting they are using the poor quality product. And I have already opened that mouse, you can see in the screen, but I must say this is a very basic components inside there, and this is called a scrolling encoder. Basically this scrolling encoder, you can see here one hole, and this one need to be replaced. So in future, maybe if possible, I will go to the local electronic shop and I will purchase this particular encoder. If the same physical dimension is available, I will purchase it and replace it. So it's my now own responsibility to repair it, because I have break the seal. So yeah, so if do not buy this product, I must say. That's all in this video. Hope to see you soon in my next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care.